In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer inventory between multiple warehouses in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned inventory manager, managing inventory between different locations can sometimes be a tedious task, but with QuickBooks Online, it can be a whole lot easier. Let's walk through the process together so you can effectively manage your stock movements with ease. First things first, to start this process, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't signed in yet, go to the login page and click on Sign In. This will take you to the main interface of QuickBooks, where all the magic happens. Next up, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the list of options if you haven't already done so. This should direct you to your dashboard, the central hub for all your financial activities. Once you're there, type in your credentials, which include your email and password, and then click Continue to access your account. Now that we're on the home page, you'll want to look for the button marked New. This is where you'll start your inventory transfer process. Clicking New brings up a menu with various options, but for our purposes today, we'll focus on a specific one. Under the Other section, you'll find an option called Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Click on it, and this is where the transfer magic begins. It's here that you'll begin entering the details of your inventory transfer from warehouse to warehouse. You'll now want to add the specific product you're looking to transfer. Simply click on the box, type in the name, or search for the product from your inventory list and select it. This will ensure the system knows exactly which stock you're dealing with. Once you've selected your product, the next step is to type in the quantity adjustment. This figure should represent the amount of product you'll be transferring between the warehouses. Make sure to double check these quantities to avoid any unnecessary inventory discrepancies further down the line. When you're absolutely sure everything checks out, you can proceed. After inputting all the necessary data, it's time to click on Save and Close. This action will finalize the process and update your inventory records in QuickBooks Online. Your inventory transfer should now be reflected across the appropriate warehouse locations. And there you have it, you've successfully transferred inventory between multiple warehouses using QuickBooks Online. This process not only helps you keep track of where your stock is located, but also provides an accurate record for accounting purposes. Don't hesitate to repeat this process as often as needed to keep your inventory flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory managing.